Hello. Okay, so today I got a real quickie for you, a great little nugget for uh, creating an answer or a counterline when there's a little space in a phrase. And the archetypal example is Thelonious Monk's Ruby My Dear. And so here it is. So it's, let me see. And then he does this. It's kind of like a G minor, but this is the move. And so on and so on. That's the song. And so here's the move. We'll simplify it a little more and we'll just do 3 notes, okay? And then there's another one. And if you really want to get crazy, there's another one. So here it is. Let's move to the key of C, the people's key. So we start with the root, the 7th, and the 3rd, which should be familiar from the scale of chords. And so on. We're going to take that first chord, we're going to move up to the 2nd, and that gives us a chromatic move to the 3rd. And that's the first part of it. So you have 1, and then. Okay, the next move that you're going to do, you're going to take that 3 chord, and you're going to change it to a 4/6 chord, or an F6. 3 notes, F, D, and A. That gives you a chromatic move to the 5th. Okay, so now you have 1, the chromatic move to the 3rd, the chromatic move to the 5th. Sorry, I had a little glitch in there. One more time. And then you already have a move. You have this 4 chord inverted, A, F, and C, and that gives you a chromatic move to what is essentially a 1 major 7. So you really never went anywhere, but you created a lot of movement. And down. Here's the switch. One more time. And I believe Barry one time said there's actually another one you can do, another move. Just go diatonically up, and you can squeeze another one out of it. So there's your Ruby My Dear. So how would you do it? I don't know. What's a great song to do? I don't know. Autumn in New York. Whoops. So everywhere and whenever you reach a tonal center, you can. What's another good tune we could do? I don't know. Just name a song. There's so many places you can put it. So I hope this one is useful. Really great little nugget. The Ruby My Dear move. And optionally. Okay? See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll have links to everything in the description. Please like and subscribe if you liked it and you want to subscribe. And, see you on the next one. Thank you.